The springbok is a medium-sized antelope native to southern Africa, known for its remarkable leaping ability, reaching heights up to 13 feet, 4 meter, and covering distances of up to 50 feet, 15 meter, in a single bound. During the breeding season, male springboks perform pronking displays, bouncing high into the air in a zigzag pattern to attract females and assert dominance. These agile animals are incredibly adapted to arid environments and can survive without drinking water for long periods, obtaining moisture from the food they consume.